Good day everyone! So, before we begin po, magpapakilala muna po kami. Ako po si Sir Janice.
Ma'am Honey.
So, ayun po. We are handling po yung tinatawag po na, na CSS NC2 qualification, also known as Computer System Servicing NC2. So, gagawa po kami or magkikreate po kami ng mga series of videos po para sa mga aspiring or gustong kumuha ng same qualification. We are both trainers po ng CSS NC2. Also, I'm assessor. Right now po, we are both currently employed po sa DepEd. So, ayun po. Yun po, magkakaroon kami ng series of videos. So, yung videos po na to, hopefully makatulong. Ang name po ng page namin ay Tama, mali. Kasi lagi siyang tama. So, ayun po yung name ng page. Of course, yung page po ay, of course, for entertainment and education. So, ayun po. We are targeting nga po yung CSS NC2, or Computer System Servicing NC2. Actually, malawak po at marami tayong aaralin. Yung CSS NC2 is composed of basic, common, and core competency. For the core competency, meron po tayong 4. Ang tawag po dyan ay COCs o yung tinatawag nating Certificate of Competency. O hindi po siya Clash of Clans. Kasi yung iba po, pag nakakarinig ng COC, akala ito ay Clash of Clans. Okay, so for Certificate of Competency 1, nandito po yung install and configure computer systems. For ang mga learning outcome po nito ay basically yung formatting, may computer hardware, and many more po. Sa COC to po,
Set up computer networks.
Okay, so set up computer networks, ang learning outcome, ma'am. Yung ating
Cabling.
crimping cabling,
And then, of course, connection ng network.
networking devices, nandoon din po, at saka yung ating structural cabling. So marami, very interesting po yung mga topics. For COC3 naman po,
Set up computer
servers. Yun po. COC3, Certificate of Competency 3, set up computer servers. Ito po yung pinaka-challenging part sa ating pong NC2 assessment. Okay, kasi nandito po yung
configuration.
server configuration. Number 1, yung pag-create po ng accounts na meron tayo, organizational unit, yung mga users na meron po, authenticated user, and many more po.
And pag-join din ng client sa ating server.
So dito na rin po tinuturo yung tinatawag nating server client configuration. Po. So medyo challenging siya. Last but not the least po natin, we have the Certificate of Competency number 4, which is
and maintain.
computer repair and maintain computer system and networks. So kabuuan na po siya. Marami rin pong learning outcome dito, katulad po ng how to manage na po, yung tinatawag natin preventive maintenance, nandito na rin po siya. Of course, yung pagba-backup po ng ating server. So ayun po, hopefully, as early as today po, maglalambing na kami. Please like, share, and subscribe po to our channel. Ayan po. Okay?
Bye everyone.
Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Thank you so much po. Hopefully, mag-enjoy po kayo dun sa series of videos na i-upload po namin. Thank you so much. Goodbye po and God bless.